Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I made Korean meatballs, Wanja jeon. Traditionally, it was for special days like birthday, wedding day, or any other special celebrations. And I made this because this Friday was Korean Thanksgiving Day, Chuseok. Okay, let's go. 500 grams of minced beef, 300 grams of tofu, 50 grams of chives, 2 cloves of garlic, half an onion, half a carrot, and half green onion. Chop all the vegetables as fine as possible. And mash the tofu and remove as much water as possible. Also dry out the meat using kitchen towels. 1 tablespoon of salt, pepper, sugar, and fish sauce. A quarter cup of plain flour. And mix them together thoroughly. 4 eggs and about half cup of plain flour is better. Put some generous amount of oil to the pan. Make it like a usual meatball, coat with the flour and press a little bit so that it becomes about 1 centimeter thick, and dip it in the egg and fry them about 2 to 3 minutes each side depending on its thickness. If you like this video, please give a thumb. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.